how could anyone possibly justify spending nearly $50,000 upgrading the diff on their car? I was very skeptical before I went in to check out what's going on to this FG Falcon PSI fed Leo. The previous $20,000 credit giveaway on our channel winner has put his credit towards this diff conversion. Let me tell you all about it. So I went up there today to PSIDUP Fabrications, who's conducted nearly all of the fabrication work on this epic 1008 real kilowatt G6E turbo. To give you a quick overview, this car is using a full mood diff housing kit, a Race Products 40 spline full floating axle kit with Wilwood brakes, billet coilover brackets, and it's going to be running a 325 fat tire on a Weld Racing beadlock wheel. Just the wheels with no tires at the back are more than $6,000. If you want to see what the wheel looks like sitting on this beautiful FG, subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on the next episode. Some of the benefits of going a full floater rear end, for those of you who don't know what that means. Number one is the axle strength is significantly increased. The wheel load is supported by the housing and bearings, not the axle shaft itself. So the axles only transmit torque. There is no risk of losing the wheel if the axle breaks. This is essential in a high horsepower car because a wheel coming off while you're doing over 200 kilometers an hour down the drag strip is one of the last things you want. Another amazing benefit of this diff is that the axles are easily removed and replaced if needed. It's ideal for high horsepower and torque applications. This diff is going to handle well and truly over 1,000 horsepower at the wheels. This diff is way better for load distribution. Floating hubs isolate lateral and vertical loads from the axles, reducing stress on the internal components. The diff will also keep a consistent alignment under load. It will help keep everything straight when launching really hard, reducing the chance of driveline failure or misalignment. It's basically improved safety for track use, and it's way safer than the semi-traditional floater design. This car is getting a full Race Products hub and bearing setup, which are way larger than your standard size, making them more durable in racing situations. So I got to sit alongside the guys today while they were welding up and aligning most of this diff. There were a couple of other tough cars there too, including Troy's R31 wagon and this monster Holden HQ. This car is also getting a weld in rear diff clip. This will allow Leo to precisely align the trailing arms, falling brackets, coilovers and anti-roll bars. It'll allow full control of the ride height and geometry. Lets you tailor the squat, anti-squat, pinion angle and traction for better track performance. It's absolutely insane the level of this conversion that's happening. It's really going to finish off this truly epic build. The car is also going to be having the rear floor cut out where the spare wheel well is. The original fuel tank has to be removed to fit this diff setup and a custom fuel cell installed so everything fits nice and neat. If you need some work done to your project and you want to be our next winner, check out the QR code, jump into our online order community, and you could be in the chance to win some credit to go to your car, just like Leo has here today. And even Leo himself, the previous giveaway winner, has entered this giveaway because he wants a paint job next. Smart man. This was our first ever giveaway. We got no monthly subscribers. In total, there's only going to be just over 1,000 people in this next one, depending on when you're watching this video. You've literally got the best chances of winning. Jump in, good luck, and hopefully I'm calling you soon.